Master private anaesthetic billing with our expert tips. Hi, I'm Ben Dudley, Managing Director of Zento. If you're an anaesthetist, especially if you're new to private practice, understanding how anaesthetic billing works is critical to ensuring you get paid. If you don't get it right, you could end up with rejected claims, delayed payments, or worse, missing out on revenue altogether. Anaesthetic billing is unique compared to other medical specialties. It is not as simple as billing for a single procedure. Your billing involves several components: pre-anaesthetic consultations, anaesthetic units that reflect the relative complexity of the surgery, time units that cover the duration of the procedure, and modifying units for additional complexities like emergency surgery or patient age. Each of these components has specific rules that need to be followed, and if anything is missed or incorrect, it can lead to problems. Imagine, after a long day in theatre with complex patients, everything went smoothly, but then weeks later, you find out your claim has been rejected. Why? Maybe the anaesthetic item you claimed was the wrong item based on the surgical procedure, or perhaps the time units were inaccurately recorded. These kinds of errors can lead to delays in payment, or even no payment at all. And when you've got a mortgage and tax to pay, these delays can be stressful. This is why understanding anaesthetic billing is so important. Let's break it down. Anaesthetic items. These are the foundation of your billing. They reflect the type of surgery the patient underwent. It's important that the correct anaesthetic item is used because it determines whether you can bill for your time and any additional modifying units. Time units. You get paid for your time, which starts when you begin prepping the patient and ends when you hand them over to recovery. You need to document start and end times accurately because these determine how much you're paid. Modifying units. These cover any additional complexities such as the patient's age, physical status, or if the surgery was an emergency. Knowing when and how to apply these units can make significant differences to your billing. Therapeutic items and diagnostic procedures include art lines, central lines, monitoring, and other things that you do which are additional to the anaesthetic. Health fund agreements. Understanding the agreements you've entered into with the health funds is important. Different funds have different rules on known gaps or no gaps, and these directly affect what you can charge the patient and what the fund will pay. We've seen anaesthetists struggle with these nuances, especially those who are new to private practice. One doctor, for instance, was consistently underbilling due to a misunderstanding of the items they could use. After a review and some guidance, they saw an immediate improvement in their cash flow simply by submitting claims with the correct combination of item numbers. Understanding anaesthetic billing isn't just about ticking boxes. It's about having a financially viable, profitable practice. If you're unsure about any part of the process, or if you want to ensure that your billing is handled accurately so you don't have to think about it, Zento can help. Our team specialises in anaesthetic billing, and we're dedicated to making sure you get paid for the work you do. Subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on billing and admin in private practice. And if you ever need advice, feel free to reach out.